In this video, I am going to show you how we can use conditional formatting in Excel. So here I have downloaded some data of a stock known as Asian Paint. So if I want to find its high uh, high value, top value, it has made recently between this period, 8 August 2003, 3rd August 2023 to current date. It's 23rd of August. So what I can do, I can use the conditional formatting. So first of all, I have to select the cell, and then I have to go to conditional formatting. And here I can use a new rule either, or I can use this top or bottom rules. So to find the top value, the high value of this top, I can choose one because well, only one top value will be there, and I can choose to fill it with green color. Green means positive. So click on OK. So here you will find the high value is 3422. And similarly, if I have to find the low value of this top, I can use the conditional formatting and use the bottom 10 item rule and fill it with red. That shows weakness. That is the sign of weakness, you know. So 2671, it has made low in this period. This way you can use conditional formatting. Also, we can explore various rules. Uh, like conditional formatting, you can highlight cell rules greater than, less than, between, equal to, or you can also find duplicate value there. And top or bottom, top and bottom, I have already show you. And you can also fill it with data bars like green, and below I can choose this color data bar low. And also we can this wa- you know combine color scales, different type of color scales, and we can also use icon sets. Different kind of icon sets are there, so you can use whatever you like. And also you can create your own rules. Click on new rule and find top or bottom ranked value. You can select from here and click on format, and you can fill it with whatever color you like. So in this way you can use conditional formatting. If you want to clear all the rules, you can clear rule from selected cell or from entire sheet. All the rows will be gone. And you can also manage row whatever you have created here. So in this way, you can leverage the conditional formatting tab in Excel and so on.